Dá a voltinha com o sol. Acelera a moto. Devagarzinho, acelera. O que tá acontecendo, Preto? Sarinha não quer te dar colinho, Preto? Não quer, Preto. Fala pra ela.
Alert! The small human has attempted to hide from playtime. I must secure the blanket and initiate immediate wake-up proceedings.
Oh wait, got it. Got it.
She's getting a kick out of it.
This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Look at pulls the blanket up.
Okay. It's okay.
That's your baby.
Yeah.
Dale un besito.
This is not your baby.
Okay.
This is my baby. Oh, my baby.
The small human has encountered a sudden, mysterious floor incident. I am initiating immediate security checks and face sniff validation to ensure structural integrity.
Go! Repeat.
कुकी बाबू गिर जाएगा, तू जैसे बैठी है ना वो मुंह वाल गिर जाएगा. इधर घूम के बैठ, इधर घूम के बैठ. हाँ, इधर घूम के बैठ. बिल्कुल ठीक, ये सही है. ये सही है.
Emotional crisis detected. I am applying direct nose contact to the area of distress. Cease all sadness immediately and offer me the mandatory comfort payment of belly rubs.
Are you covering Ethan up? What a good boy. Yeah. You got that flash clothes. You go.
इसे कहते हैं असली प्यार. तरुणी गेट पे सोई है, कुकी उसके पीछे से सोई है. तरुणी थोड़ा आगे जाएगी, कुकी थोड़ा और आगे जाएगी. मतलब दोनों एक दूसरे के बिना बिल्कुल नहीं रह रहे हैं.
All right. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Oh, protect the baby. 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 Protect the baby.
My beauty regimen is non-negotiable, and the dog requires maximum hydration. We are achieving peak zen and glamour. Do not interrupt the fluffiness.
Now he's trying to re-swaddle the baby. But without opposable thumbs, it's kind of a hard task.
The human child is merely a supervisory assistant for my advanced digging operation. I am attempting to dig to the center of the earth for the legendary buried treasure.
You hurting the baby? She stole his peanut butter.
He's not looking.
There's that. We bite him by accident.
I am the designated furry security guard for this tiny human. Maximum closeness is required to ensure optimal warmth and zero disturbance.
Aria. Taco, tell Aria it's okay. Say Aria.
Yeah.
The human has introduced a mysterious, loud, tiny alien creature. My only safe defense mechanism is to assume the full dramatic surrender posture.
Go bounce the baby. Good boy. Bounce the baby. Bounce the baby. Bounce the baby. Yay. Bounce the baby. Yeah. Good boy. No.
I am the designated furry co-pilot, ensuring proper speed compliance. The cat and I agreed that this tiny taxi is the only acceptable mode of transportation.
It's your first Eagles game ever. It's your first Eagles game ever, and Rocky's fired.
你在瞪谁啊？嘿。
I must liberate the small human from this restrictive cloth prison. Freedom requires a strong tug, and then we must initiate immediate playtime. I am providing crucial quality assurance testing on the small human's chewing implements. This shared toy duty is a mandatory part of my babysitting contract.
O Henriquinho, ele é da mamãe. Ele é meu. Meu neném. O pé tá sujo? O pé tá sujo.
Yeah, that hurt pup.
the emotional bond is fully validated and secure, requiring a final snuggle. Thank you for watching these perfect little partnerships.